Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here it is, chapter 38. What? Did the show crew do their salad? Isn't that true? Are the program crews are unscrupulous for rating? This is it. Guest order, guest order. Now finally, they have a guest. After their long waiting, now all of them suddenly stopped and said, "Are there any guests?" Now they're questioning the crew. What did the crew of this program think? There was no publicity and don't do it. Yes, if you haven't heard it, Guyausi talk about it. None of us would have known that the dinner was opening today. Well, it thanks for Guyausi. I read the news on the internet and it said that the official start of the meal is tomorrow day. They changed the schedule randomly because the first day is not good. It turned out Guyausi got this customer. Yes, thanks to Guyausi. When she went to the market, she invited a lot of people. It's a little bit successful if they have a guest now. Well, since there are guests now, a dinner party with the ingredients. Think about it. Let's start the dinner. A table of a guest ordered a fish, shredded chicken, cabbage sting heads, hot and sour soup, and rice. Well, what do you think? They can serve it? They only have a raw materials for the shredded fish and a fragrant chicken. How about the others? Well, let's hope Guyausi have a plan for this. Shouldn't the menu set according to what's on the kitchen? Is there another menu in the lobby? Well, been tricked again by the crew. Steve, is this a show digging a hole for us again? Maybe there's a problem with the communication between the front and back of the chef. What do you want to do? How about that? Now Gu Yaozi and Man Man is busy on preparing food. It seems that the dinner is on the track. The smooth sailing dinner was so boring, it was time for fun to begin, not knowingly. It's look like they have an important guest now. The guest and the crew wings. The show is cooking up something again. Well, I think it's more trouble on Gu Yaozi and the other participants now. Sir, that's our menu. What would you like to eat? They have a menu, but they don't have ingredients. Today's menu: fried eggs with tomato shredded, fish flavored chicken, stir fry vermicelli, cabbage, spicy sour potato shreds, braised pork, cola chicken wings. The guest said, "What kind of menu is this?" Now, they have been in trouble. They have a guest with a high expectations, but they don't have lack of materials. Can they supplement the guest needs? Sorry, we are here the first time today, often for one day. Insufficient preparation of materials so that the menu is limited. Okay, give me something with fried eggs, with tomatoes, another one braised pork. The server said, "Okay, please wait." Hey guys, thank you for watching. See you again next chapter. Sorry for loud background today. I'm still traveling and I have a free time now. Thanks, bye.